Welcome to this GiftWorks video. My name is Steve Faithful and this is the first of a series of videos that were created to help you better understand our GiftWorks online donation service. If you're a nonprofit organization looking to collect donations through a website and then be able to quickly and easily download those donations into GiftWorks, then our GiftWorks online donation service might just be the thing for you. In these videos, I'm going to be going over how to get started using GiftWorks online donations, to set up your donation page, and then be able to collect those donations and then download them easily into GiftWorks. To get started, I want to show you the three different pieces that make up GiftWorks online donations. The first is GiftWorks. Many of you are already using GiftWorks to help manage your donors and your donations. And with GiftWorks online donations, we integrate that directly into GiftWorks so that with a few clicks of a button, you can download those donations you receive online and download them directly, quickly, and easily into GiftWorks. The second piece is our GiftWorks Live website. GiftWorks Live is the website that we use to help manage and deliver this online donation service. In addition to online donation, we also offer two other services. The first is Data Protect, which is an online backup tool, and we also offer Web Collect, which is a form-based collection tool. Online donations is delivered through GiftWorks Live, and you'll not only use it to start up your service, your GiftWorks online donation service, but you'll also use it to manage and view your online donation information. The third piece is your actual donate page, which in just a little while, I'm going to show you how to set it up and configure it to be set up the way you want to receive your donations. So the first piece is GiftWorks. The second piece is our GiftWorks Live website. And the third piece is your donate page. And those three work together to help deliver the online donation service. When you're ready to get started receiving online donations, you can simply contact the GiftWorks sales team and let them know you want to add GiftWorks online donations. You'll receive from them an email containing a username and password to your GiftWorks Live account. Remember that GiftWorks Live is the website that we use to help manage your online donation service. So you'll come and you'll enter in your username and password. And once you do that the first time, GiftWorks Live is going to ask you to fill out a series of forms for your online donation service. This will not only help us set up your online donation service, but also help begin the approval process for what's called your merchant account. Your merchant account is effectively the bank account that will be used to store those donations that you receive from your donors. The process for approving a merchant account is approximately 3 to 7 to 10 business days, somewhere in that time, depending on certain information that we receive. Once you are approved for your merchant account, your online donation service will then be active. And once it's active, you can log in to your GiftWorks Live account and begin to configure and set up your online donation service. And we're going to start right now. So I'm going to click on the sign in button to my online donation service. Once I sign into my GiftWorks Live account, I'll see my services listed on the left-hand side. You see I have online donations, and I also have GiftWorks Data Protect and GiftWorks Web Collect, two other services we have available to us. But in a moment, I'm going to go in and I'm going to manage my online donation service. Now, if you don't have a manage link, don't panic. It's simply because your merchant account has not yet been approved and we're still in that waiting period. Once your merchant account has been approved, then you'll have a manage link and you can begin to actually configure and set up and use your online donation service. Before I do that, let me just show you one thing that you can do with your GiftWorks Live account, and that is to give other users access to your online donation service. By clicking on users and clicking on all users, I'll see a list of all the users that are available. Now, when you first start out, you're going to be the only user there. But then you can click on the Add a New User link to actually go ahead and begin to add other users who will have access to see the information to modify your your donate page and download transactions into GiftWorks. And so you'll be able to have control over what users have access to what different services within GiftWorks Live and what they can do within each of those services. I'm going to go back to the service page and we're going to begin to start to manage GiftWorks online donations. So I'm going to click on the manage link and it's going to take me into the specific area that is used to manage my online donation service, and you'll see that up at the top. I'm specifically managing my online donation service. Let me give you a quick introduction around what we're seeing here. The first thing I'm on is my dashboard. You'll see this menu across the top. I see a dashboard that I can view. I can view my transactions. I can modify my donate page, which we'll do in just a little while. And then I can also view options, and we're actually going to start there. I'm going to review the options that you can set up within GiftWorks online donations. By clicking on this options link, I'll see the 6 different areas where I can either view or set options for my online donation service. By clicking on account settings, I'll see the provider key. This is simply a unique identifier that we use to identify your online donation service. And then you also can see your bank information. Going back to options, I can then choose from my receipt settings. The receipt settings is simply the content of the email that will be sent to donors after they give. So I can include the from name, the actual email address of where it's from, the subject of the email, and then the actual content of the receipt or the body of the email. And not only can I type information in here, but I can also include these merge fields. I can choose from information that was part of the donation, that is the name information or the contact information, but I can also choose information about the donation, so the amount and so on and so forth. And I can create and customize a receipt that fits how I want to communicate with my donors. Going back to options, I can also, under notifications, choose one or more email addresses of who I want to be notified every time I receive a donation. Going back to options again for permissions. Before, when I showed you how to add new users to your GiftWorks Live account, here is where you can actually change the permissions for those people that have access to GiftWorks online donations. So for all the users that are part of my GiftWorks Live account, I can click on this change permissions, and I can either say they have access to everything by making them an administrator of the online donation service, or I can make them a specific user within the online donation service and then give them specific options of things to be able to do. For instance, I could choose whether or not I want this person to be allowed to download transactions into GiftWorks, allowed to view the transactions themselves, or allowed to make changes to the donation form. And so you can control how much you want each user to be able to do within this specific service. So going back to options, under recurring payments, if I did have any, which I don't have right now, if you had any donors that had set up recurring payments, like they wanted to give weekly or monthly or yearly, you would see those recurring payments listed, and you could simply stop those recurring payments if you wanted to. And then lastly, the GiftWorks Live add-in option, which simply allows you the opportunity to download the GiftWorks Live add-in to be used within GiftWorks. And we'll do that in just a little bit. So those are the options that are available to you. There is help if you need help, that you can get information about how to get help within GiftWorks online donations. So those are the options. That's the help. Let's go back to the dashboard. And the dashboard is just a very simple kind of page where you can see information about transactions that have occurred recently. In this case, I can see that I have 0 transactions today or 0 transactions this month. If I had some, I would see it. I'd be able to click on the link to be able to go view those specific transactions. And then I can see a helpful chart of transactions that have occurred over the past 30 days. Well, this concludes the first video in the series on online donations. I hope you'll look at the next video in which we'll begin to look at the transactions that you receive as part of your online giving program. And then we'll look at in other videos about how to design your donate page, and then we'll look at how to integrate all that information into GiftWorks by downloading those transactions and those donations that you've received into GiftWorks. Thanks for watching.